welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is xoxo. Today we're going to be testing out the Flaxseed gel. My curl pattern is 3A and hers is
3C 4A,
and we're going to see how good it defines both curls. Okay, so this is my sister.
Hi guys, my name is Mama Derman and I am very excited because this is my first video with my sister on her YouTube channel.
So yeah, if you want to see if this really works, keep watching this video. We're going to need 3 cups of water and 1 cup of organic flaxseed. Then we're going to mix it very well and bring it to boil over medium heat for 3 minutes. Your gel texture will depend on the level of water you use, okay? While the flaxseed is boiling, you will continue mixing or stirring so it doesn't stick. Okay, you're going to strain it. I recommend you to do this step while it's still hot so that the process be much more easier. Okay, now you're going to put your gel in a glass container and cover it very well and take it to the fridge for about an hour, and voila!
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay guys, so this is the final look. My hair is 80% dry and hers is like 75% dry, and I really liking it a lot.
I'm liking the result, guys.
It's good. I really like it a lot. Thank you, sister, for letting me join in your channel. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in, and if you watch to the end of this video, please drop a like, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.